Introducing the 2025 Toyota Crown, a sedan that blends cutting-edge technology, sophisticated luxury, and exhilarating performance. With a bold new design and advanced features, the Toyota Crown redefines what it means to drive with prestige. From the very first glance, the 2025 Toyota Crown commands attention. With its bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and refined body lines, the Crown makes a statement of sophistication and power. It's a sedan designed to captivate, with a design that balances elegance with athleticism. The sculpted sides and sloping roofline give the Crown a coupe-like silhouette, while the muscular rear end and striking design details ensure it stands out wherever it goes. Step inside the 2025 Toyota Crown, and you'll be enveloped in a world of luxury. The cabin features premium leather seats, rich wood accents, and a meticulously crafted dashboard, all designed to create an atmosphere of refinement and comfort. At the heart of the cabin is the 12.3-inch touchscreen, featuring Toyota's latest multimedia system. With Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and cloud-based navigation, the Crown keeps you connected and informed at all times. The digital instrument cluster puts all your driving data at your fingertips, offering a customizable display that adapts to your needs and preferences. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Crown offers a range of powerful and efficient powertrains, including a choice of hybrid engines. The 2.5-liter hybrid engine delivers smooth, responsive acceleration, while the turbocharged 2.4-liter hybrid engine offers an exhilarating driving experience with over 300 horsepower. With a Commute transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive, the Crown offers a balance of power and efficiency, making every drive a pleasure. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating tight corners, the Crown is engineered to deliver a refined and responsive ride. Safety is always a priority in the 2025 Toyota Crown. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, the Crown features the latest in driver assistance technology, including lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The 360-degree camera system offers a clear view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier and safer than ever. The 2025 Toyota Crown takes luxury to the next level with features like heated and ventilated seats, massaging front seats, and a premium audio system that delivers an immersive listening experience. The panoramic sunroof adds to the cabin's airy and spacious feel, making every journey a first-class experience. Whether you're on a long road trip or simply enjoying a quiet drive, the Crown ensures you're always comfortable with its dual-zone climate control, ambient lighting, and carefully engineered soundproofing. The 2025 Toyota Crown is more than just a sedan, it's a statement of elegance, technology, and performance. With its refined design, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge technology, the Crown is the ultimate expression of luxury and sophistication. Ready to experience the all-new 2025 Toyota Crown? Visit your local Toyota dealership today and take one for a test drive. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more updates and reviews. See you on the road.